Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to protect trailer tires from cracking in cold weather, a complete guide. Cold weather is tough on trailer tires, and cracking is a problem many owners face each winter. Temperature swings, moisture, and prolonged exposure to freezing conditions can weaken the rubber, leading to cracks that reduce tire lifespan and compromise safety. Taking steps to protect your trailer tires isn't just about avoiding costly replacements, it ensures your trailer stays road-ready when you need it most. Understanding why trailer tires crack in cold weather. Cold weather does more than make your hands numb, it can wreak havoc on your trailer tires. When temperatures start to drop, the rubber compounds in your tires face a unique kind of stress that, if ignored, can lead to cracking and early deterioration. Let's break down the main culprits behind this issue so you can understand what to watch for and why protection is key. The science behind tire damage in freezing temperatures. Rubber doesn't do well in extreme cold. As temperatures fall, the rubber material in trailer tires loses flexibility and becomes brittle. Think of it like bending a frozen branch, it's much more likely to snap than a flexible green one. Microscopic cracks begin forming in the tire surface when the rubber reacts to constant freezing and thawing cycles. This is known as thermal expansion and contraction. Each time the temperature plummets and then rises again, the materials in the tire expand and shrink slightly. Over time, these tiny movements add up, causing structural weaknesses across the tire's surface. But that's not all. Cold weather also thickens the natural oils in tire rubber, reducing its ability to stay pliable. Without this flexibility, tires become more prone to cracking under normal road stress. It's a subtle but important process, and it's happening right under your nose during winter months. The role of UV exposure and environmental moisture. Cold weather isn't working alone. It's teamed up with factors like UV radiation and environmental moisture to create the perfect recipe for damage. Even in winter, UV rays from the sun can break down the chemical bonds within tire rubber. This leads to oxidation, a fancy term for when materials weaken due to oxygen exposure. If your trailer sits outside, moisture plays a massive role too. Rain, snow, and road slush all introduce water that can seep into tiny, already formed cracks. In freezing temperatures, this moisture expands as it freezes, forcing those small cracks to grow larger. Combine this with UV exposure, and you've got a compounding issue. Even worse, when your trailer sits unused for extended periods, these environmental factors work uninterrupted. Harsh winter conditions paired with stationary tires create the perfect storm, as movement is what helps prevent some tire damage by keeping the rubber supple. Common signs of tire damage to look for. The earlier you spot damage, the better your chances of preventing any serious issues. Whether you're using your trailer or it's parked for the season, taking a closer look at your tires periodically is essential. Here's what to keep an eye on. Small cracks, weather cracking. These tiny lines appear on the sidewalls or tread area and are early warning signs. Don't ignore these, they're a clue that the rubber is breaking down. Discoloration. Fading or uneven color can signal UV damage. This may happen even in winter, especially if your trailer isn't covered. Bulging or warping. If you notice bulges, the tire's structural integrity may already be compromised. This often stems from weak spots caused by cracks. Reduced traction. If your tread feels hard instead of grippy or you notice it doesn't perform well in cold weather, it could mean the rubber stiffened from damage. Give your tires a routine check, especially after major temperature shifts or bouts of snow and ice. Spotting early signs of damage can save you a lot of hassle and money in the long run. By understanding how freezing temperatures, UV light, and moisture team up against your trailer tires, you can take proactive steps to slow the process down. In the next section, we'll discuss practical strategies for avoiding these common pitfalls and extending the life of your tires. Preventative measures for protecting trailer tires. Protecting trailer tires during cold weather starts with being proactive. The combination of freezing temperatures, moisture, and environmental stress can cause significant damage if left unchecked. Below, we'll explore some practical steps you can take to safeguard your tires and keep them in top shape all winter long. Maintaining proper tire pressure. Cold temperatures naturally reduce tire pressure, as the air inside contracts when it gets colder. Underinflated tires not only wear out faster but are also more prone to cracking and other damage. Keeping your tire pressure within the manufacturer's recommended range is a simple yet critical step in preventing these issues. Make it a habit. Check tire pressure regularly, especially after major temperature drops. Use the right tools. A reliable tire pressure gauge is your best friend. Avoid overinflation. While underinflation is risky, overinflating your tires can also cause premature wear. Stick to the recommended size for your tire model. Remember, a tire that seems fine during warmer months can lose pressure quickly in colder weather, so stay consistent with your checks. Think of it like adjusting your thermostat. Small tweaks can make a big difference in performance and longevity. Using tire covers to shield against exposure. Tire covers are a simple and affordable way to protect your trailer tires from the harsh winter environment. They act like a winter jacket, shielding your tires from direct exposure to ice, snow, and even the sun's UV rays, which can harm the rubber, even in winter. Here's why covers are essential. Insulation from extreme cold. Tire covers help keep the rubber from freezing, minimizing brittleness. Blocking UV rays. Even when it's cold, UV rays can dry out and weaken tire rubber over time. Barrier against moisture. Covers prevent rain, snow, and slush from sitting on tires, stopping water from seeping into cracks and freezing. When choosing covers, make sure they fit snugly around the tire and fully cover it. It's a small investment that can pay off in a big way by extending your tire's lifespan. Parking on proper surfaces. Where you park your trailer matters. Frozen ground, gravel, or uneven surfaces can put additional stress on trailer tires, leading to cracks or accelerated wear. Whenever possible, look for surfaces that minimize this risk. Avoid frozen or jagged ground. Parking directly on uneven or icy terrain can increase pressure on specific tire sections, making cracks worse. Opt for flat, stable surfaces. Concrete or asphalt is often the safest choice during winter months. Consider tire pads or planks. Placing rubber mats or boards under tires can create a buffer between the tires and the frozen ground, reducing wear. Think about it this way. Parking on frozen ground is like walking barefoot on cold pavement. It's uncomfortable and can leave lasting damage. Protect your tires the same way you'd protect your feet. Cleaning and treating tires with protective products. Cold weather can dry out rubber, causing it to lose its flexibility and become more prone to cracking. This is where cleaning and applying tire-specific protectants come in. Start with a clean slate. Wash off dirt, salt, and grime from your tires, as these can accelerate deterioration in cold weather. Use a high-quality protectant. Look for products specifically designed for tires, such as silicone-based sprays or water-based tire conditioners. These help maintain moisture inside the rubber and prevent it from drying out. Reapply as needed. Protective products don't last forever, especially in harsh winter environments. Make it a part of your maintenance routine to reapply them periodically. Avoid household cleaners or petroleum-based products, as they can strip the tire of its natural oils, doing more harm than good. A properly treated tire will remain softer and more flexible, even when the temperatures dip well below freezing. By taking the time to clean and protect your tires, you're essentially creating a barrier against the daily wear and tear that winter throws at them. It's a simple step, but one that pays off when your tires last longer and stay safer. That wraps up part 1. I hope these tips help keep your trailer tires safe this winter. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for part 2 where we'll dive deeper into more tire care strategies. See you soon. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.